Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make some yarn from your fabric scraps. No matter how small those bits of fabric, you can make use of them. So this yarn that you're going to make is going to be absolutely amazing for you to produce some great mixed media projects, perhaps some rugs, some bags. Really, it's however creative you can get. So I'm Christine from christinescrafts.com. This channel is all about crafting on a budget. So this is ideal where you're going to use up all those scraps of fabric. So all you need is some fabric. Now you'll see I've got a piece here. It's not really big enough to make anything. You'll see I haven't even bothered pressing it. I'm just going to use it to make some yarn. So decide how wide you would like your yarn to be. It really is up to you, and I would experiment with this and see what suits for the project you're doing. And just cut whatever you've got into strips. Now all I'm going to do today is cut 2 strips of this blue fabric and join them together. But I could carry on and make a really long length using this bit of fabric that I've got, or if you like, you could add different fabrics in. So that's why I say no matter how small your scraps, you can still join them together and make something. It really is a very creative way of crafting, because once you have your yarn, you can use it for knitting, crocheting, rag rugs, whatever you fancy with it. So just get your strips and make sure they're about the same width. Whatever width you've chosen, you want them to be approximately the same all the way along. You don't have to measure it. You can see I'm just doing it by eye, but it just makes for a neater finish. So once you've got your strips, you want to join them. Just take one strip and at one end, just fold it over about 3/4 of an inch and snip the end so that you make a hole in your strip. And then do the same for one end of the other strip where you're going to join them. Another little snip, and you'll see that I've now got 2 strips, and at one end of either one I've got a hole. So put them together, take one strip and feed it through the hole in the other strip, and just pull it a little way through so you can see that other hole. Now the strip that you fed through is the one that you are now going to bring over and feed through the hole in itself. So you're making a loop. And then all you do is pull that through, keep pulling until it pulls tight. And you've effectively knotted your 2 lengths together. If you don't like the little length that you've got left, then you can always trim it down. So you just keep going, adding lengths on until you've got the length of yarn you want, and then ball it up. So just keep going and keep creating. You just put another snip in the other end and carry on. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and you're going to enjoy making your own yarn from fabric. Please remember to give me a thumbs up below if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to get lots more videos to help you craft on a budget. And please let me know in the comments what you create with your fabric yarn. Bye.